Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the Kucoin wallet, open the app or extension and unlock it. Make sure you have your backup phrase ready, because authorizations require access to your account for approvals. Once done, switch the wallet network to the Zoo-compatible chain, confirm whether Zoo uses Ethereum or a sidechain so token transfers match. Fund the wallet with a small test amount to pay fees. Finally, enable D-app connections in settings so Zoo can prompt a connection request. Next, go to the Zoo D-app and choose Connect Wallet. Pick Kucoin Wallet when the pop-up appears. You will see permission prompts, review them carefully. Connection, view address, balance, and signing rights. Don't blindly accept token allowances, set minimal approvals, or use custom allowance if offered. If the chain mismatches, Zoo will ask you to switch networks. Accept that change in Kucoin Wallet. Then sign a small test transaction to verify Zoo can request and receive signatures from your wallet. To finish, confirm your assets and any Zoo-specific tokens show up in the D-app. Wait for pending transactions to finalize and check the Blockchain Explorer if something hangs. If you granted broad allowances earlier, revoke or lower them in Kucoin Wallet for safety. Once everything works, make a standard transfer through Zoo to ensure flows are stable. If issues persist, clear your browser cache or app data, reconnect the wallet, and if necessary, contact support with the transaction hash for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.